There comes a moment in life when you understand that peace is not something you chase, but something you slowly build through your daily choices. Because if you do not control yourself, the world will control you. Anger feels familiar to all of us with its heat in the body and regret that follows. And even when we promise to stay calm, we often react the same way again and again. Not because life is unfair, but because we have not mastered our inner world. And Stoicism teaches 5 simple habits that make you stronger. The first is to pause before reacting, because anger starts as a small spark, and if you catch it early with one breath and one moment of silence, you can choose wisdom instead of impulse. The second habit is to expect imperfection, because people disappoint not out of evil, but because they are human and broken in their own ways. And when you stop expecting perfection, you stop taking things personally and protect your peace. The third habit is to avoid responding when you are hurt, because reacting in pain gives control to your emotions and your past. So instead you wait, let feelings settle, and then choose calm and clarity, because calm choices last while angry ones only create regret. Habit 4 is about building a strong inner world, because people only disturb you when you have no calm place inside yourself to return to, and when you depend on approval or validation, you give others power over you. But the Stoics taught that real strength comes from creating an inner space that no one else can touch, and you build it by doing hard but meaningful things like spending time in silence, reflecting on your actions, walking alone, saying no when it's easy to say yes, letting go of people who drain you, and choosing purpose over comfort, because every act of discipline and self-control makes you stronger inside. And habit 5 is choosing meaning over ego, because ego wants to win, be right, and be admired, while meaning simply wants you to live true to your values. And ego creates anger while meaning creates peace. So when someone insults you, their words do not change your worth unless you let your ego react. And true calm comes not from being untouchable, but from not needing to be touched at all. And in the end, mastering these habits does not change the world, but it changes you, making you calmer, wiser, and harder to shake, able to observe instead of react, accept instead of resist, walk away without bitterness, and choose silence over chaos. And when you understand yourself and let go of what does not matter, you gain real power, because you are not here to win arguments, but to master yourself and protect your peace one choice and one day at a time.